Every video lecture and every live lecture will start with a set of announcements, which are always posted to the course website, cs61a.org. Let's take a look. There's the course website. That's me. I'm John De Niro. Here are the regular times and rooms of the live lecture. And here are all the announcements. You should definitely watch videos the day they come out. At the very least, either watch the announcements video or read the announcements on the course website. Welcome, I'm glad you're here. Please join our piazza so that you can ask questions and see other students' questions. Live lecture this week will be held in Zellerbach Hall because it has enough seats for everybody who is enrolled in this course. For the other weeks in the semester, we don't have enough seats in the regular lecture hall, but I have reserved evening overflow lecture times, where I will just give the live lecture a second time in a room with another 700 seats, just as long as there are enough students who want to hear the live lecture. If we reach a point in the semester where enough of you have decided to transition to video that we don't need the overflow lectures anymore, then I'll stop giving them, and we can all spend the evenings doing something else. More details on that will be announced on Friday. I hope you've signed up for Lab and Discussion section already. Lab 0 is a take-home tutorial on how to set up your computer. You can find the week's lab linked here or in the schedule. That's the daily schedule of the course. So take a look. In fact, you should try it this week so that when you come to discussion and you're stuck, you could spend a few minutes with your TA after discussion working through whatever issues you have. If that doesn't work, the course staff are going to hold drop-in office hours this Friday from 3 to 4 right after lecture for anybody who still has setup problems that they want some one-on-one help with. My office hours will start next week and will be on Tuesdays at 1 and Wednesdays at 11. But I've noticed over the years that people really like to come to my office hours during the first week that they're offered. So next week only, I'm going to hold some extra office hours. In addition to these two, I'll hold another hour on Wednesday and 2 more on Thursday, and I have a bunch of individual appointments available for anyone who needs to talk to me one-on-one. In general, it's better to come to the drop-in office hours than make an individual appointment, but if you have a private matter you want to discuss, then feel free to sign up for an individual appointment. And the course staff will hold office hours as well. We'll release that schedule soon, but they won't start until next week. Next Monday is a holiday, but we have a lot to do in this course. So we are going to have lecture, it just won't be a live lecture. Instead, I'll post lecture videos, and Monday's lecture will be online only, meaning that there will be videos posted here, but otherwise there won't be a lecture. It actually works out great. The material that I cover in the third lecture, which would normally fall on this Monday, is really better absorbed using videos because it has a lot of detail, and I always run out of time when I give it live. So instead, that's a good opportunity for you to try out video lectures and see if you like them. Come to the first 2 live lectures, and then try the videos for the third lecture, and then you can decide whether you want to come live or watch videos from then on. And remember that you can always switch back and forth as you wish. Since Monday's a holiday, some students don't have a regularly scheduled lab, but it is important to go to lab next week to get a feel for what lab is like. So we've scheduled 2 lab sessions, which are bring your own computer lab sessions. Now you can bring your own computer to all of our labs. Lots of students do that. Or you can arrive and use our computers, which are also available to you. The vast majority of students bring their own computer because then they can keep going more easily after they leave lab. The special sessions we'll have next week, just for the people who would normally have Monday lab, are going to be in a room that has no computers. You have to bring your own. We'll have 2 sessions, 11 and 12:30, and a room that holds 100 people, and so that should cover the students who would normally have lab on Monday. We're giving you a chance on Tuesday to make up that lab.